Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I have a revert brother in Mangalore. He reverted about 4 years back. He was married then. Now he has a child. His wife has not reverted. She's still a Hindu. Well, we had this argument or a talk a week back where he said that he's living with his wife. But he said that he's told his wife that if I have to live with you, you say the Shahada, I'll live with you. But she still goes to the temples. She does not believe in Allah. But he's living with her. So, what is the right advice for him? And does he have to do nikah again? And Allahu Alam, please help me with this.
That was the question, that there was a non-Muslim brother who accepted Islam, alhamdulillah. But unfortunately, his wife did not accept Islam. He was already married before he accepted Islam. He also has a child. So now if the wife does not accept Islam and is not ready to say the Shahada, can he continue living with her? He told her, you will say the Shahada, I'll live with you otherwise. So what is the ruling here? What can he do? What should he do? Should he do nikah again? The question of doing nikah again only arises if she accepts Islam. And once she accepts Islam again, if it's on different stages, then again it requires if together, that also can be avoided. But
What he says is she has said the Shahada.
Aha. So now the question changes. The question changes, the answer also changes. The brother asked the question that if she has said the Shahada for namesake, but yet she goes to the temple, then what's the ruling? Then the scope is a bit bigger. That if she has said the Shahada and he thinks it's only for namesake, only for his sake, and yet continues going to temple, so he should continue doing dawah with her. He can live with her because she has said the Shahada. And at the same time try and convince her that she should not go to the temple in whatever best way. First with love and affection, then maybe pressurizing. But if she has not said the Shahada, the different thing altogether, then he has a limited time. He cannot continue for years together. Fine, limited time means there's no specified rule in the Sharia that he can stay for 1 day or 2 weeks or 2 months, etc. But time can be given so that she accepts Islam because they've already married before. But in this case, since she has said the Shahada, I feel he can live with her. And at the same time, see to it that he reverts her in the true sense. And he can use various methodology, love, affection, then pressurizing, whatever it is. And I feel it's possible. Once she has said, even for namesake, it's easier. And then he should make it possible, more convenient for her to accept Islam. And see to it that he uses various techniques and logic, etc. to make accept Islam. But he can live. But see to it that as soon as possible, she comes on the straight path. I hope that answers the question.